Guys, today I will be showing you how to make dye for your slime. All you need is a Pom Pom, some scissors, white or clear slime. Okay, let me just get the slime. Okay, I'm back. So have your slime. All you need to do is cut up your Pom Pom. Cut your Pom Pom, but only the fluffy edges. There. So got your pieces of Pom Pom. And then you gotta collect it all in your slime. Mix it in. I know it seems really weird to put furry stuff inside of slime, but that's what you need to do to make it. And it's great if you want to make like spider web slime or sweater slime. Okay. Like, you're gonna need to mix it for 5 minutes if you really want it to be actually mixed. And it's really good for ASMR videos. Like, look, listen to this. Okay. So, you might need more than one Pom Pom. Your Pom Poms are really small. I only had one. But you can add as much Pom Pom as you want. You just need to cut it up, mix it in. Okay, then you should have this. Actually, it depends on what color you used, but I used blue Pom Pom, so it's now blue slime. Bye, thank you for watching. Please like.